We all know that to reach 1000 subscribers, if you are a new creator, is very, very hard. It's very hard that sometimes you get so frustrated that you want to give up. But I have 4 methods that I can give you. It might work for you because I'm not saying that it will work for you. Like, I'm not giving you assurance, but I want you to try because all of us here on this platform, things work for us differently. So what you have to do is you have to try each and anything. Just try anything in these 4 methods that I'm gonna list out right now. So if you are interested, my name is Mary. I am a content creator. I do cooking, a little bit, a simple tutorial of YouTube, and also I do reaction videos. So if you are really interested, please consider liking, subscribing. Stay here. I will show you what I know when it comes to YouTube. So method 1 that I can actually recommend that you can actually use as a new creator on this platform, I will say you should try Shorts. Shorts is that easy method that you can grow overnight. You can go viral overnight. Within one day, you have that 1K subscriber. So many people have given testimony about Shorts. Just create a very nice short that you know it will really help you. I mean, create a very catchy short and post it. Or still, better still, you can also react to the viral, as this viral sounds too. You can as well get your first 1000 subscribers on this platform. And the next method that I'm gonna give, which is number 2, is that go live. Go live. We have, if you are over 100 subscribers, you should go live. And if you are below 100 subscribers, try to join people's live. You know, when I am live, come to my live and stay and engage with other creators. They will make you reach that 100 subscribers. Meanwhile, as you reach that 100 subscribers, that will help you so that you can also go live. Going live is very, very nice. If God has if God has with you, or let's say what? Yes, if it favors you, you can go viral and get your 1000 within 24 hours. So it is possible. It's not like it's not possible. It's not hard. You can actually achieve your 1000 subscribers with just what you have to do is you have to put some strategy. Don't just use one thing. Try to change and change and change. Try to play around. Try to give new skills. You never can tell. In your life, show what you know. If you know how to dance, if you know how to do exercise. If you're a good, when it comes to cleaning, you can do cleaning. Show what you got. Then people are gonna subscribe to you through that life. So go live, and also you can do silent. I don't recommend silent though. I don't recommend silent, but you can actually do silent if you are busy. Also, you can get subscribers. You understand? So go live, go normal life. I mean normal life. So you go live. If you cannot go live, go to people that are your favorite, those who goes live. Stay with them, engage with people, be very active in the comment section. Always be very active. People are gonna connect with you. By the end of that life, you will come out with some good amount of followers. Okay, that's I think that's the best that worked for me. I used to go to people's live, sit there, talk, be very active in the comment section. That's how I got my first 1000 subscribers. I was literally very active. In fact, I never used to go live. I never used to go live until I made my 1000 subscribers. That's when I started to very frequently, and I started to be frequently going live. But basically, I never used to go live like. You understand? So what I will advise you is also, if you cannot go live, go and support others. Stay there until they end their life. Just stay in that life until they end. You know what? Even the host will notice you, and everyone that comes in, hey, so and so is very nice, have been here, and people will be so interested to engage with you. So what I'm just saying, stay in one place. Stop planning. You know what I mean? All right. So stay and be very active. The host will notice you and they will shout out every single time. They will shout out your name, they will pin your name, and that's how you're gonna gain your 1000 subscriber. Another method, which is number 3, try Restream. Try Restream. Restream is gonna give you watch hours and also subscriber. I have one of my friends that went viral just one day like this, gained over 500 subscribers and 400 watch hours. for only 6 hours. So you can imagine if you go viral for 24 hours, you will have your subscribers that you are looking for within one day. So I will recommend Restream. Search about Restream and go do it. I will talk more about Restream. Restream, if you want to do Restream, you need to look for something very catchy and you need to have a very strong Wi-Fi. If it is data, make sure that data is very strong, not cracky. If it is cracky, is not clear, you will never go viral. But Restream, I'm telling you, you can get your watch hour within seconds and your subscriber within seconds, as long as that you go viral. Okay, so you can try Restream as you grow. Try Restream. Restream is the best platform that you can actually get your 1,000 watch hours. All right. So for me, I will recommend Restream if you are a beginner on this platform. Use Restream. Restream will really save you a lot. Not only subscribers, it will save you with watch hours. Of course, because you know the struggle of getting 4K watch hours. It's very hard. It's not a child's play. So try Restream. On this platform, you try everything. Don't stay in one place. Don't just go live only. Don't just be there supporting parts of people only. Try everything. One will favor you. I'm telling you. So Restream is the best way also to go if you are a new creator. Okay, because before you gain not fame, before you gain platform, let's say before you build your community, you didn't need this 1K subscriber. You didn't need it. So you have to look for it, then later get to your community little by little, just make sure that you reach you deal with YouTube demand. After you deal with YouTube demand, now you can relax and create your community peacefully. Okay, because we're chasing time. We have only 12 months to reach their demand. All right. So the last, which is number 4, I will say you should try screencast. Screencast is also very simple as long as you have a video. Screencast have really helped me. I tried to Restream, to be honest. I tried to Restream, but Restream didn't work for me. So I will say that screencast worked for me a bit. You understand? Screencast really worked for me a bit because for me, what have worked for me. Okay, let me explain what screencast first, then I'm gonna tell you what worked for me the best. Okay, so screencast is the best to go live. I'm gonna show you how you can do screencast over here. Okay, screencast is the best to go live for beginners, for new creators like me. Screencast is the best. You can use screencast, leave it overnight. As long as just have that catchy video, let it play. Also, it needs very strong Wi-Fi and good data. Not this one that looks like dim. No. It needs something clear, like clear. You understand? So, if you want to do screencast, you want to do Restream, make sure you have strong Wi-Fi. So, for me, screencast is very easy and simple, and it doesn't have complications at all. It's just like very simple. For beginners, it will never give you a headache. Never. Like it's so chilling. And also, you can also use this one, Silent Live, which is just additional to screencast. Okay, or additional to going live. If you just don't want to show your face, you can do a green screen. You can do a green screen, leave it to run overnight. Also, you can get subscriber. But I'm not gonna recommend green screen. Reason being, people will click in and click out, and I think that might hurt your channel. Reason being is not nice. It will signal the algorithm that the content is not what we thought it is. But also, screencast is the best. I remember screen screen is the best too. I remember I used screen. I gained around 60 subscriber for only 2 hours. Yeah, I used my very nice picture, put it there with a very nice title, and I got around 3k views and 60 subscribers. So I can recommend if you are a new creator, you try all this method. Try all this method. Now, what worked for me best? I would say I go live. That was the first I used. I go live. In the second, I used to go to people's live. Stay there. Engage with the host to everything that they say. I'm very active. That's how the host used to recommend, oh, go to Nelly, oh, go to Nelly, go to Nelly, go to Nelly, go to Nelly, until I made my 1K subscribers. I have tried Restream, but it didn't work for me. Yes, I have tried screencast. It worked for me a bit, and now green screen is now going live. Going live for me, I can say it is my favorite. It has favored me a whole lot. I've been going live since I used to go live since until now. Going live is my best ever because it has really helped me a lot. Yeah, so that's the only advice I can actually give if you want to gain your first 1K ever on this platform. Try this phone method. Try this phone method and you will thank me later. Try it. Okay? You will thank me later. One of it will definitely work for you. For me, going live, normal live on YouTube helped me. So you never can tell you Restream can work for you, or Screencast can work for you, or print screen can work for you. So choose one. And if you go live, guys say be creative. If you want to go live, try to be creative. You can do anything. If you are a good cook, try to cook. If you are a good drummer, try to do what you are best in. Okay? That's how you will draw more attention to people, and people are gonna subscribe to you. If you're a farmer, anything that you're best at doing, just show people, and people will be very much interested in you, and they will really like to stay.